Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to a stream. So today we're gonna be don't mind me. I'm just chilling at home, and don't mind the sort of setup that I have right now, because my setup right now, I'm just trying to chill. Okay, so don't mind the way I am right now, you know what I mean? So obviously right now what I'm trying to do is basically build like a website for myself, so that way I can sort of if I have it built with code, I think it's easier in terms of like the different unique little things that I can add into it, because if it's built with if it's built entirely using like other people's software, it's a little harder to sort of add little features extra on top of it, so it's a little annoying in that sense, right? So because of that, I'm going to build myself a little software, not software, web application using Next.js, so that way I can in fact what's my bad, sorry. So that way I can in fact have the get the ball rolling in a way. So let's hit my boy Claude real quick, and let's say I am about to start an agency. Please create me I'll just call it SMMA for now. SMMA. Please create plus software agency, type agency. It's called Veloxo. Please create me a web application for it using Next.js. Make it very user friendly. It's straight to the point. Plus yeah, that should plus the UI look very nice. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna give it. Okay, do I need anything else specifically? At the moment, no. Okay, so what I'm gonna look for at this point is probably please create me an application using Next.js. That's fine. Make it very user friendly and straight to the point. Make the UI look very nice and professional. Okay. Plus add some dummy data for now. Let's see what it does. Let's see how this cooks up. Okay, so I'm going to first create the Next.js application, create Next.js app, and I will in fact get the first, okay, there we go. I thought I was going to show some env variables, so I was starting to tweak a little bit. So I'm going to create a new folder, and we're going to call it, I'll just call it agency for now. And it's open. Let me just open this real quick. I think it was called npx create next something app. Forgot like the exact command line for it. I think it was something along those lines. Yeah, so right here, as you guys can see, I can just copy this and paste this right here, and that should do the job. And now let's give it a few seconds. Nope, none of this. And now we should have it running. So as you can see, it's developing the application, of course. And okay, so this is what it developed right now. So if we sort of divide the code, I think it's going to be so much easier to sort of navigate things around, right? If I can sort of divide this into different components. But this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it looks pretty cool. So I'm just going to say divide the application into different components, plus maybe even add a little more stuff, extra components. Let's see how it cooks. Okay, so as you can see, this is components navigation.jsx. So I'm going to create a components folder, and I will create this file, which is called navigation.jsx. Okay, copy, and let's create this file. Let's copy this code right here up to this point right here. So let's copy this and let's paste this over here, and let's create the hero.jsx, which is basically going to be right here. And let's copy from here to here. Let's paste this over here, and this is service card.jsx. So let's type in service card.jsx, and now let's copy from here to here and paste that here. Services.jsx, services .jsx, and let's copy from, where is it? Let's copy from here to here, paste, and project card.jsx. So just call this project card.jsx. And oh fuck, what just happened? So let's go from here. Let's see, where is it? Project card.jsx. It was right here. Okay. So let's copy this. Oh, what's going on? Okay. Copy this, paste this here. Projects.jsx. So let me just copy projects. Boom. And let's call this projects.jsx. Projects.jsx. And finally, testimonial card.jsx. So let me just copy and paste this real quick. And copy, paste testimonials.jsx. Mind you, I'm not trying to learn how to code. I'm trying to get this website up and running, okay? Do not judge me right now, okay? So, okay, let me just copy this real quick and let's paste it, okay? Pricing card.jsx. Let me just paste this as well. Let's copy from here and let's paste it down here. Pricing.jsx, and let's copy from here, paste it. Pricing.jsx, paste it here. Footer.jsx, and it seems like it's here to the cool. Let's see what it cooks up. And so let's give it a few seconds. So of course generate the code. And footer.jsx, I have not created this file, so let me just create this real quick. Footer.jsx. Let's copy this code, whatever we get over here, and we'll use that as to sort of combine the things together. Because obviously we'll have to return back to the page.js, the main app.js file. Not app.js, page.js, the base file, and see what we can do there. So now, newsletter sign up. Okay. I mean, it's so much easier if we can have like one, because it's super easy if you have like the base version of it. Was it? Sorry. Newsletter sign up. What it was called? Let me copy this actually. Boom. Okay, so now in app, right? This is the main home function. So I'm going to copy all this and I'm going to paste all this within the return block, and I'll give it this div class name and stuff as well. So let's copy this from here to here, and let's take this whole scope right here, and let's copy from the bottom of this towards the top. Okay, cool. Now let's import this stuff. Can I import this? What? Is this not exported? Export. Okay. There we go. Hero, is it exported? No? Okay. Guess we'll have to export this as well. Hero. Let's go back to hero. Boom. Services. Let's click. Go services.jsx. Services. Say services export. And let's export that real quick. Projects. So let's go to projects and let's say export. And let's go back to projects. Boom. Testimonials. So let's go down to testimonials and let's say export. Back to testimonials and pricing. Let's go to pricing. Do the same thing. I think I just gotta copy the keyword export. Yeah, that's better. Okay, newsletter sign up. Let's put export right here. Oopsie. Cool. And newsletter sign up and footer finally. So that's basically this, and let's paste that real quick. Save, and bada bing, bada boom. And now it should be up and running. So let's run this real quick and see if this is up. This is working. All right. So now, hopefully, there's no problem here. If I get rid of all this other nonsense over here. think I should be able to. Okay, so I gotta install Lucid React. So let me just do Lucid React. I could have just copied this from somewhere else, but it's okay. Alrighty, so now let me do npm run dev, and it should be up and running. Okay, so now let's run this dev server and let's see what it does. Okay, so let's see what sort of magic it cooked up. Because I'm actually kind of excited to see what it cooked up. Hopefully it doesn't. Man, what's this? Oh, I gotta declare this as a client component. Use client, please. There's so much more. Oh my god. Okay, so I just gotta. Okay, I'm just gonna keep pasting this over here. Use client. I'm just gonna paste it on all of these files above all of them. Okay. Cool. What's this? Cool. And this one, I'm just gonna export this as well. Okay. Cool. Right here, I'm just gonna export this real quick as well. Export this as well and paste this. Okay, and export, paste. Okay, and finally, we gotta export this as well. And finally, this is the final one. Okay, so now, with that being said, I want to sort of get rid of any other errors that it's coming across. So I'm just going to clear the terminal. That way I can see what's wrong here. Let me just refresh this real quick. I think we should be fine. Okay, seems like we have a problem here. Service card, import, project card. Okay, so that's fine. Project card right here, import testimonial card. Okay, so testimonial card, boom, just like that. Pricing card. All right, let's go to pricing card and import that. Oh, what's wrong here? Did I not export this? Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so now if I import this, boom. What's the problem? Check circle. Is that a thing? From Lucid? Okay. So now it should be fine. Okay, seems like there's an error. Match the client as a result. So I'm gonna get rid of so from what's this component again? I saw it from one of these components. I think it was over here. So if I get rid of this from here, I think that should be fine. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do first, call it the first commit. Publish the branch. Let me publish this to a private repository. And seems alright, but it's not really that good. Because if you want to have like a cool website, you sort of need to make sure it's like really nice. Especially look at this, it just keeps sort of glitching out. See over here. So in that sense, it's not really that great. But as you guys can see, we need to make sure we work on these stuff as well. As far as this goes, I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to get rid of this, format this document, and finally I'm going to call this, let's just call it Veloxel for now, homepage of Veloxel. Okay, or we'll just call it like welcome to Veloxel or something. It's just the metadata. Welcome to Veloxel. Let's just call it that. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm just gonna call it X. All right, so now we have this over here. Pretty much everything is set. So obviously we need to replace these stuff. We need to replace these stuff as well. And we also need to sort of get the newsletter functionality working, right? So it's a bunch of work that we need to put in here. Obviously, it's not nowhere near done. But we can, in fact, I like doing this because I always like getting something completed. So contact us is not really working, which is fine, because it's part of the process, right? Let's click this to what's up. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this for I'm just gonna ignore this for now. It's not really a big problem. So contact us. Yeah, obviously I need to get this to work. Sorry, my bad. I just couldn't keep that inside. But contact us. This is coming from, where is this coming from? There. So this is coming from here, right? So when you click this button, there should be like a pop-up. False contact menu and set contact menu. When you click this, it should basically unclick inverse set contact menu, and that's the no, sorry, set contact menu. It's the inverse of contact menu. So if it is true, if it's not there, then show contact us. Because if it is there, then yeah, see, it should just not be there, right? So let's say it's yeah, sorry, this should only be there. Let me just put something here. Contact us, and let's make this button itself. If contact menu is true, then show me this button. If not, don't show me that. It just goes. Look at that. It just left. If it is not true. So now when I click it, it just goes. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm just gonna call it PC. Pretty cool. Yeah, so this is I'm just gonna give it to Claude and say implement the functionality for menu, contact menu, and let the client contact us easily. Show contact numbers or for easy reach, or let the client fill the form to contact us to email. Make it very easy to contact. Okay, cool. Let's see what it cooks up. Okay, alright, that's fine. Let me just take it to a new chat. Let's paste it. Let's see what it cooks up. Alright, so let's wait for it to do it. Okay, pretty cool. It's using Lucid again. Alright, so let's give it a few more minutes. I just want to quickly wrap things up as well. That way we have this website. I need to work on this website, obviously. I need to get this fixed so that way we can sort of pitch it. But in the meantime, I'm going to go on Vercel, and I will deploy this so that way we have a domain, right? I tried to deploy it. There was some little sort of small error, but it's okay. So project. Let's call it agency. We don't really have environment variables, so that's fine. Yeah, let's just deploy this. And what's the problem here? What's going on? Nav. Yeah, the nav bus seems fine. Okay. Okay, it's responsive. That's cool. So navigation. It's kind of weird to have all this in the navigation bar though. So, it's okay. Don't have the alert component. Let's see if I can create this UI/alert. It's actually a file, so I'll just call it alert. No, it's called, it's actually one file. Okay, yeah. Okay, replace it with .it, that works too. And let's go back and let's use this one to sort of get the form running, the ball rolling in a way. So, alrighty, let's give it a few minutes. Alright, now everything seems fine. Yeah, let's see what it does. So seems like wherever deploy error. Testimonial card. Oh yeah, so disable give GPT this. Disable all these rules so that way there was rules. Can't remember. So let's go up here. Give me command to disable. Yes, then. It's okay. Alright, so I should put this in the... Okay, there we go. So this is the ESLint JSON file. We're going to copy this and paste this right here. Boom. Okay, so that should work. This should work. And the deploy must be fine because yeah, this should be fine. So let me just close this real quick. So everything should be fine. We should have a contact us. There we go. So we have this. They should be able to send a message and they should be able to close it. Does this look fine on mobile? Seems all right. Doesn't look too crazy. Nothing too crazy. It's okay. I just gotta make sure this is lively because right now it looks like shit. Okay, that's the truth. Because see, like this should probably like have like a nicer animation. It looks a little odd. Overall, not the best experience, so not too convincing. Okay, we gotta make sure something looks nice. Contact us. This is the contact us form. If they want, they can refer to this as well. This is gonna be details to sort of get to us quickly instead of just filling this all even. The client could sort of fill this and get to us as well. Cool. Everything's fine. Everything's good. So now let's deploy this because we should be fine because commit's done. And what else? What's usually there? Agency website. So let's see. Homepage, of course. Started book a consultation. Learn more. Yeah, so started, yeah. Precision, client logos, quick services. Can I copy this real quick? I don't know if I can copy this real quick, but this should deploy fine. I can't copy this, I don't know. It's lagging for a while. I don't know what's up with this, but I oh, it's okay. Let's just say we'll give it some time. Okay, so about us, yeah, that's fine. Detail stories. Okay, blog, contact form, obviously, client testimonials, FAQs, privacy policy and terms of service, social proof. I could get this parts done as well. Yeah. So contact, that's fine. Blog, portfolio, that's fine. About us, okay. Make me. I think it's okay. All right, so this is the FAQ thingy. So I'll include this somewhere. So I'm gonna call this the FAQ section dot JSX privacy policy. Let's call this privacy policy. Okay, copy and paste this real quick. Cool. So the FAQ, I'm just gonna copy this from here to the top. Paste that here. And I will also copy this from here to the bottom. Oh, what's this? FAQ privacy section. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Divide them to different components and show me the individual snippets. Thank you. The FAQ section, I already have that, so that should be fine. Sorry. Oh. This is exploded over here, so I'm just gonna get this just for, you know. privacy policy. So let's give it a second. Okay, copy this. Just copy that real quick. Boom. What is this? FAQ privacy container. FAQ privacy container.jsx. Copy, paste, boom. Everything should be fine. All right. So now, then your page. Show me where this should be in the app.jsx file. Let's just call it app.jsx. All right. So let's see how this sort of piles up. Wait. Okay. All right. What's this? Okay, so I'm going to section this out and okay, that's fine. Cool. All right. So we have this. This is fine. This is obviously fine. But as far as yeah, so this should do the job. Should be fine. I want like a nice transition between the two, because this right now doesn't look too good. I don't know. Anyways, if you guys can see 12 Pro. Cool. Cool. It just does that weird thing. Like it sort of stops in a separate component. It's like very stiff. What's all this? I'll have to see what this is about. But yeah, other than that, it's alright. Nothing too crazy. So I'll just call it buggy. And should be deployed at this point. Okay, there we go. So now it's deployed. Let me just I was supposed to get that. Alright, so it should be up. I should have deployed it in a different name, not agency. I should have called it up like Velox or something. It's giving this. I'll have to redeploy. It's okay. It's all good. Let me grab the link for this. Cool. Thank you very much. Alright, so with that out the way, so now we have this. We have we have this decent. We have this okay. I mean, we don't really have these actually, now that I think about it. We don't really have these. We don't really have this. We don't have this properly. And this is something that we had to build. And we don't have this. We don't have this quite. Client testimonials, we don't have this. Okay, everything's we'll figure it out. Okay. Okay, so now it should be accessible from now. Right? So if you guys can go to this website right here. You should be able to sort of see what's going on, right? I wish there was like a little bit of a hover, but yeah, we're not gonna be charging like ridiculous amounts at first. Yeah, that's pretty good. Overall, pretty cool. I can't click on any of these buttons. That's okay. It's not a big deal. Yeah. So I need, now that the website's fine, I need to tune this. I also need to make sure, create me a logo for eye-catching minimalist. Let's see what it generates. Because I need to sort of, I have this right now, which is bullshit, but I need to sort of, so I'm going to interact with, I don't know what this, let's say digital marketing. Let's go to like some random spot. Okay, so let's follow this page real quick. It's just like based in, these guys are probably Indian, I don't know. I can't tell right now, but I'm just gonna like a few of their posts. And let's say marketing. So, because the niche that I'm targeting with this is essentially marketing something. But this is not really a big step. It's more of just a basic step just to show that I'm interested in this. Okay, so I'm going to save. This is awesome. Just comment. Do the basics. It's amazing. All right. Seems all right. See what GPT made. Okay, this is not really convincing. Use bright colors. And maybe even text. All right, so in the meantime, I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. Like a few comments. What's that? I don't know, like a few comments. And swipe to the right. Thanks a lot for this. Boom. Even save a few of these posts. And let's get this out the way. It's in web format, so I'm just gonna grab this in. Boom. Just like that, we have it up and ready. All right, so let's change that. All right, get that out the way. Okay. Cool. So we'll have to sort of rebrand this a bit. And we'll have to sort of start making content on this page to sort of really get it out there. So we have the website, we have the Instagram, we need outreach as much as possible. So we're using Twitter, LinkedIn, and maybe even Instagram if we get this page up and running. Maybe even TikTok. Maybe I would make some videos just to get the ball rolling, offer to do stuff for free, and then eventually, just to get the proof of concept and make sure people are really satisfied with the work that we do. And I want to like get the real world experience first and make sure people know that we can actually do the work for them. Because that's like how you start, right? You need to make sure everything's gradually increasing. So 19%, that's not that bad, but it's not really, I don't really see any engagement apart from myself in this post. So it's like sort of like me talking to myself. So, but apart from that, it seems fine. Yeah, so this seems fine. I made a Twitter post about this. They seem to be very supportive. Thank you, Twitter. If you guys are from Twitter, thank you so much. I just gotta grow this as well, by the way. Thank you so much, Twitter. I got like a bunch of retweets and a bunch of what was it? Reposts. It was called what was it called again? Quotes. Okay. Thank you so much, Twitter. I really appreciate this. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You know, if anyone from Twitter sees this, which I don't think they will really see this, but yes, this is my profile, guys. If you guys want to, keep up with this, I usually post a lot of trading related content, sort of generally my documenting my journey here. But yeah, so pretty much this is the post I made earlier. It was at like 9-10 p.m. but now it's like 3:20. All right, so let's do some outreach using this as well. I don't really believe in email outreach because nobody really checks emails, to be honest. So I think this direct DMs and cold DMs might be like better than overall just like cold DMs like these, and overall just sharing things around, like engagement on posts and stuff might be overall. I'm just gonna connect with this guy. I've heard of him from somewhere. Might be overall better because we need to also do things that like make sense, right? Just for the sake we can be doing things. So yeah, this is the website. Seems all right. We have it deployed. I have to redeploy it actually now that I think about it. But I've not settled on his name, so I'll leave it like this for now until I settle on a name and sort of have this whole website looking professional. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'm going to start making content on YT, so stay tuned if you guys have seen this video. You guys will see a lot more videos on my channel related to everything, right? Let's see if I'm gonna show you guys this if you guys see this till the end of the video. Maybe not. gonna show you guys something. Yeah. So I'm going to run this script, okay, live on stream. Let's go and follow. I will run this script. I will take my hands off the computer. Softcat memes. This is the profile that I want to target. And now I have my hands off my computer just like this. And look at what it does. Okay, it's gonna log in. It's gonna sort of do it. This is just a follow bot. So all it's gonna do is it's going to log in and it's gonna sort of follow people. Simple as that. Okay. Follow people. If you run the unfollow script, you can sort of have the get the thing unfollow, get the people to be unfollowed in 48 hours. So if people are not following back, they might as well just unfollow them. You know what I mean? So as you guys can see, I can literally use the rest of my computer. I don't really need to stay here. Let me just show you guys that I don't really need to stay here. So I can just close my tabs, go on with my day, and we'll do that in the background, as you guys can see. No problem with this because it's coming directly from my computer, so it doesn't seem like it's artificial. All right, with that being said, guys, this is deployed. Let me just get rid of this. I gotta make sure this looks nice. I gotta contact Khalid real quick. Give me a sec. So yeah, I'm trying to provide automations to my good friend Khalid. So yeah, apart from that, yeah. So again, we can't show the rest of the DMs. Sorry about that, Khalid. That was my bad. I won't show that again. Yeah, everything that we discussed is about that, so you can't see that. Okay, so apart from that, you guys can see that this is doing its job. As you guys can see, I don't really need to stay there. I can just go away, do the rest, use the rest of my computer, you know, just do other stuff. If there's an unfollow problem, then I have to manually sort of click it, and I can just go on with the rest of my day, even maybe watch a YT video. But I have to have it on site just in case something goes wrong, and I need to manually take control of the situation, which we have to in different life scenarios. Apart from that, okay. Ads wise, right? Running ads wise, Shopify dropshipping store wise, I need to cancel this in a few minutes, in like 2 days. As far as this goes, I'll have to run a few ads for a few clients. Hopefully, we manage to land that client. 497 store conversions out of just thin air, pretty much, because we didn't really run any ads or market this organically even. So this is entirely off of SEO. That's crazy. So this is the ad set, so it's kind of buggy right now. It's just one ad set, which is not the best way to target, honestly. You need like multiple ad sets, to be honest. And you need to target close, same niche, but close audiences, you know, just to see which one does the best. And with one creative per ad set. Do I need to run one video per ad set and try different videos on different ad sets to see which one brings the best ROI? There we have it. So yeah, see, that's why, because you're testing a bunch of different audiences to see which one does the best, and that's why, boom, bingo, right here. All right. With that out the way, so yeah, we should get rid of it, and this should be done by now, and boom. So I'm gonna close this script, of course, and I can also run the unfollow script, but right now I'm too tired for this. So there's a few bugs here as well. Let me just run it, actually, matter of fact. Not unfollow. Let's see what it does. Give a few seconds. See how it sort of takes control of the situation in a way. It's 326 right now. That's crazy, dude. We already have 3 followers because it's organic. Like, nobody's gonna judge if it's organic, right? It's coming from my computer. It's almost like I'm following, but it's not really. You know what I mean? So, does the unfollow script really work? I think it's bugged out. The unfollow script. I think took a snapshot. Okay. Took a snapshot of the people that are following back. You see organic growth right here. You want to using Roaring Kitty Crypto as a test. What? You want to using Roaring Kitty Crypto as a test? Only 18 I made this far. Just took me a year. I'm a talented Thank you so much for the sub, man. So you see, we have 16 likes and 4 followers right now. That's crazy. That's actually wild. 17 likes, 4 followers. So it's sort of okay. I think it's unfollowing people that are following me back, which is kind of fucked up. No, that it shouldn't be doing that. It should not be doing that. It should not be doing that. Something wrong with the script. I swear to God, I'm not even trolling. I wanted it to sort of keep the people that I'm following as followers, as following people. You know, people who follow back, keep them following. Because I appreciate someone when follow back. So I just don't want to like unfollow them just for the sake of, you know, having a nice looking team page with less followers. That's not my goal. So it's kind of fucked up. I gotta fix it, but right now I just want to show you guys the demonstration. This really works because I'm not touching my computer at all. In fact, I can move this to the side of my screen. I can go do something else, as you guys can see. I can just, I'm on my alt channel right now. 29 likes, 4 followers. That's crazy. I built this website. I'm just gonna go on about my day. I have my other hand right here. I'm just using one hand. Okay, boom. Save the recent unfollows. I don't think it saved it. Yeah, I don't think it saved it. Anyways, you guys get the point. So if I go back to that Instagram page, you guys can see that we have interesting. So yeah, that's pretty much one guy. Just like I don't know if it's a bot, but you can see pretty good. I haven't posted ever since though. But apart from that, I gotta fix the domain on this. This is like the store I was running for my dropshipper. It's not really a great store, to be honest. But it's alright, I guess. It's nothing crazy. It has a bunch of reviews and stuff. It's nothing crazy. It's 3:30, dude. I gotta make sure I quickly wrap this up and go to sleep. Nothing too crazy, honestly. It's just a website I was just building for fun. It's pretty cool though. But I have the export of the I'm pretty sure I have the export of the theme, so that way I can like rebuild this on a different account. But that's a little annoying. Yeah, that should be fine. And yeah, so I gotta build a AI automation for one of my friends tomorrow for one of his business purposes, and run some ads for him. So that is my first client. Khalid, if you're watching this video, thank you so much, man. Like literally my first client. And I'm sorry, I'm not really good at showing emotion, but I really appreciate it, Khalid. You know, I'm not really good at smiling, right? Yeah, let's see how this goes. Of course, this store didn't do well. I'm part of a crypto community, and I want to know, would this help it? And want to know, would this help it grow as well? What do you mean? Would this help it grow? As in, you want to use roaring? You want to using roaring kitty crypto as a test? I don't understand it. Can you send me a request on this username right here and just explain to me like in Discord DMs? I swear to God, I will check your Discord DMs, but I need like a proper explanation because the chat is very delayed. I know that for a fact. Just send me this. Send me this request, and give me your username as well, so I can accept your thingy. Because I don't understand what you're saying. I'm sorry. Yeah. So we have an export. I'll have to sort of migrate the domains and stuff because I'll have to cancel this store, but I need the domain. This domain right here. Anyways, spit that out the way. So yeah, okay, that's fine. We figured it out. Calendar. Let's see. After this is already cancelled. It's fine. Set this for. Is there save button? Alright. Okay, cool. All right. So with that out the way, I gotta migrate the domain on the 8th. That's fine. Apart from that, yeah, that's it for now. That should be enough for now. It's pretty late where I live. Website looks okay. Yeah, I think should be good to go. I should probably get to sleep because it's 3:30 right now, and I have to submit this actually now that I think about it. Anyways, I'll see you guys later because I have to submit this research paper thingy. Yeah. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for coming by. The 2 guys that came by and exploring random mods. Am I missing anything?